Is Basecamp still good? It's a question that echoes in the halls of countless businesses, from bustling startups to established enterprises, all searching for the elusive perfect project management tool. In a world saturated with ever-evolving software solutions promising to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and magically make your team's dreams come true, Basecamp stands as a veteran. It's been around for a long time, quietly doing its thing, but does long time equate to still relevant in 2025? We're going to dive deep into Basecamp in today's video. We'll explore its core philosophy, its strengths and weaknesses, its pricing, and ultimately, whether it still holds its own against the new wave of sophisticated, feature-rich competitors. So, if you're a team lead wondering if it's time for a change, a freelancer looking for a simple solution, or just curious about where Basecamp fits into the modern project management landscape, stick around. This one's for you. Let's set the stage. Basecamp, created by 37 Signals, now Basecamp itself, has always championed simplicity. Their ethos revolves around providing a clear, straightforward platform for teams to collaborate, organize tasks, and communicate without getting bogged down by excessive features or complex interfaces. It's designed to be the one place for everything related to a project. Messages, to-dos, schedules, documents, and even automatic check-ins. This philosophy is a stark contrast to many modern tools that pack every conceivable feature under the sun, often leading to overwhelm and underutilization. So, what does Basecamp offer in 2025? At its heart, you'll find the core elements that have always defined it. Each project gets its own dedicated space, a kind of digital headquarters. Within this space, you have your to-do lists, which are central to task management. You can assign tasks, set due dates, and add notes or attachments. The message board serves as a central hub for announcements, discussions, and decisions, keeping important conversations in one easily searchable location. Then there's Campfire, Basecamp's real-time group chat, designed for quick, informal discussions. Schedules help teams track important dates and milestones, while the Docs and Files section allows for centralized document storage and version control. One of Basecamp's more unique features is the Hill chart, a visual representation of project progress that aims to give a high-level overview of where things stand, focusing on the journey rather than just completion. You've also got pings for one-on-one private messages and automatic check-ins for soliciting regular updates from your team. The beauty of Basecamp, for many, lies in this simplicity. It's intuitive, has a relatively flat learning curve, and promotes a sense of transparency. All project-related communication and assets are kept within the project, reducing the need to jump between different apps or trawl through endless email threads. This unified approach can be a significant productivity booster, especially for teams that value clear, contained communication. Users consistently praise its ease of use and its ability to foster efficient collaboration. For smaller teams, agencies, and those in creative industries, this less is more approach often resonates strongly. However, this very simplicity can also be Basecamp's biggest limitation, especially in 2025. The project management landscape has evolved rapidly, with many tools now offering advanced features that Basecamp simply doesn't have natively. We're talking about things like Gantt charts, which are crucial for visualizing project timelines and dependencies. Basecamp's task management, while effective for simple projects, lacks the ability to create subtasks or establish complex task dependencies, which can be a significant drawback for intricate projects with many interconnected parts. Resource management, a key feature in many modern PM tools for understanding team workload and capacity, is also largely absent. Time tracking, while a crucial component for many businesses, isn't built in and requires third-party integrations. For teams that rely heavily on advanced reporting, detailed analytics, or sophisticated automation, Basecamp's offerings can feel quite basic. There are no robust dashboards for real-time progress monitoring across multiple projects, and its customization options are limited compared to some competitors. Let's talk about pricing. Basecamp has a rather unique pricing model which has shifted over the years. Currently, it offers two main plans. There's a standard plan at $15 per user per month. Then there's the Pro Unlimited plan, which is a flat rate of $299 per month, regardless of the number of users. This flat rate model can be incredibly appealing for larger teams, as the per-user cost decreases significantly as your team grows. For example, a team of 50 would pay only around $6 per user per month on the Pro Unlimited plan, making it quite cost-effective. However, it's worth noting that Basecamp no longer offers a free forever plan, though a 30-day free trial is available for both paid plans. Compared to some competitors that offer more granular pricing tiers based on features or user count, Basecamp's structure is straightforward, but it might not be the cheapest option for very small teams or solo users who don't need the unlimited features. So, who is Basecamp still good for in 2025? This is an excellent fit for small to medium-sized teams who value simplicity, straightforward communication, and a unified workspace over advanced features. Agencies and creative teams where project communication and client collaboration are paramount and complex task dependencies are less critical. Teams new to project management software who want an easy-to-learn and intuitive tool to get started without being overwhelmed. Teams seeking to reduce email clutter and scattered communication by centralizing everything in one place. Larger teams looking for a cost-effective solution if the flat-rate Pro Unlimited plan makes financial sense for their user count. Who might find Basecamp less ideal? Teams managing highly complex projects with intricate dependencies, multiple phases, and a need for detailed resource allocation. Organizations requiring robust reporting and analytics to track performance, budget, and team workload across numerous projects. Teams heavily reliant on automation to streamline repetitive tasks and workflows. Users who need extensive customization options to tailor the software to highly specific workflows or branding. Businesses that require native time tracking for billing or productivity analysis without wanting to integrate third-party tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.